want to have cheesecake.
This cheesecake is much better than any Paris
What's
cheesecake.
this?
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, hell yeah.
Pudding cake.
Pudding cake here. Damn, bro. Give me some move. Greenery, so good here. Okay. How's the taste?
Very good.
Hey guys, so today we have planned for some dry picnic. I want to show you something what I have cooked. So this is my chicken and vegetable curry, and I'm cooking some fried vegetable. So let's see what Jambro is cooking on his side.
Hi guys, Sam here. For the trip I'm making hummus, which is basically made of chickpeas, Middle Eastern dip. Going to use lots of olive oil and tahini. I'm making Chinese style chicken too for the trip.
Chinese 사자야.
After 8.
去哪让它去了可以的。Later on，你的车很多猫的。
没关系的。
Hello Sugar, welcome to our new vlog.
He's very scared.
Really?
Yeah. First time after he got home, he's going out.
So we are about to reach the destination. Hello.
I don't know why he's so scared today. He's very scared.
Here are our stuff.
车道我看了一下，没事，我是说他那边没有，他那边可以下。
Cutie. This is the place where we are coming for our picnic. Sugar. Our party is going on. Yes.
Meet Mimi.
Mimi, our dearest, how to say?
Mimi, dearest cat.
How is the feeling?
Wonderful.
So how is the feeling, Jambro?
So beautiful feeling. Look at the beautiful lake. So much green. I am green too today.
Yeah, you are. Chinese changa. Jambro! Give me some move.
Hottie, hot girls.
How come, ma?
Cheryl.
Cereal.
Cheryl.
Pregnant.
Oh, baby.
Oh my god.
Hi, sugar.
Must forget.
Our feast has started, guys. You can see what we have. This is made by me,
今天有点黑了，就有点
by
点
Vicky Bro,
没有别的东西。
Jam Bro.
要放很多
What you make,
柠檬
cereal? Cereal?
太多了已经。
Roti.
Roti.
Yeah, bread. Hello.
Ashish bro, it's so delicious.
Really? Just had our lunch and now we are chilling. Here brothers are preparing some sisas and girls they are about to prepare coffee and I'm waiting to have it. What's going on, Da?
Making tea or coffee.
Okay, so they are about to warm water and coal for sisa. And here is another friends. Cheryl is doing something here. Okay, okay.
Oh my god.
Hey, someone help her. Oh, I'm taking video. It's very windy day and we are going to warm water for coffee and tea. So it's a coffee time and our coffee is being made by Cyril and May. Okay. How's the taste?
Very good.
Tastes good. Another part of China, another life of China, another story of China.
Who wants to eat?
We are going around here and we want to show you how other people are celebrating or chilling out there. You know, bro?
Yeah, Chinese holidays.
Bro, yeah, or sahi hai. You know?
Yeah, you can
It's a little high. We came little late actually. Wow, see the greenery, so good here. Ole, 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 ole. But I think the food which we brought was most unique,
delicious food,
most
international
different.
food.
Yeah,
Nepali, Indian, Chinese,
Arabic,
food.
right? We had 4 different kind of food. Yeah, some mad kids there. Side क्या मस्त blue sky आ रहा है. My God, awesome.
Look at the beauty there. Look at the shine.
Ooh,
Like a diamond.
shine like a diamond. I miss my childhood. We were so free, carefree, no responsibility, no headache. The only thing that scared me was homework, school homework. The guys are fishing. I'm not sure it's a serious fishing or just playing around.
Maybe they caught something.
Have?
Yeah.
Yo, you ma?
Yeah.
Have? Oh, very small fish. Oh, yo. Oh my God.
把这么一个皮孩子拍走了。
What's going on? What's going on, my jigger tukras and tukris? We just went around. What's going on?
Hot water.
Hot water. Okay, I would like to have one coffee, please. 有多少钱？一杯 coffee, Cheryl. 一杯 coffee 有多少钱？
1 million.
Oh my God, 1 million. I'm poor. 我没有 1 million. I don't have 1 million.
哎，这个橘子我这边也大。
Can you borrow me 1 million? I want to have coffee from
two
Cheryl. Cheryl.
2 million, get me one too.
Here is Bhai Behan. Busy in their mobile. Where is my tart? Egg tart. Oh, yeah. Now it's our coffee and cake snacks time.
Who want to have cheesecake?
Guys, say some words. Make my vlog interesting.
Who want to have cheesecake?
This cheesecake is much better than any Paris
What's
cheesecake.
this?
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, hell yeah.
Pudding cake.
Pudding cake here. So this is good than any cake in USA. Hell yeah. And this coffee, it's better than any coffee in the world because it's made by homemade. Okay, 谢谢. Egg tart or something, pudding cake. Lovely. The Sun is gone, but I have a light. Kurt Cobain. Come to see Mimi. You like cat?
Yeah, I like.
You can say Mimi.
Mimi.
Yeah. We're packing up now.
See you guys until next time.
Sai.寶貝